Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Self-Study Mandarin. Before we dive into today's lesson, if you want to master Mandarin Chinese step by step, make sure to hit that subscribe button right now and share this video with your friends who are also learning Chinese. Your support helps us create more free lessons for you. All right, are you ready? Let's get started. Today, we are looking at the days of the week in Mandarin Chinese. This is an HSK1 visual guide to help you master time. The most important word you need to know today is the word for week. In Mandarin, we say 星期. Let's say it together. 星期. Great! Here are our learning objectives for today's lesson. We are going to cover three main things. First, structure. We will master the incredibly simple 1 to 6 counting pattern for weekdays. Second, questions. You will learn how to ask what day is it using the magic question word 几. And third, planning. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe activities for this week, last week, and next week. Let's jump into part 1, the basics. We are going to master Monday to Saturday. Here is the best news you'll hear all day. In Chinese, days of the week are incredibly logical. You don't need to memorize 7 completely different words like in English. All you do is say the word week plus a number. The formula is simply 星期 plus number. Let's build our week, starting from Monday to Wednesday. Monday is the first day of the week, so it's week plus 1. 星期一. Tuesday is the second day. 星期二. Wednesday is the third day. 星期三. See how easy that is? Just think of the puzzle pieces coming together. Now, let's complete the sequence from Thursday to Saturday. Thursday is day 4. 星期四. Friday is day 5. 星期五. Saturday is day 6. 星期六. By simply counting from 1 to 6, you have already learned 6 days of the week in Mandarin. But wait, here comes the plot twist, the Sunday exception. Sunday breaks the rules. It does not use a number. You will never say 星期七 for Sunday. If you say that, native speakers will be very confused. Instead of the number 7, we use the word for sun, 日, and the word for sky, day, 天. Because of this rule, Sunday actually has 2 faces in Mandarin. The first one is 星期天. This is the most common way to say Sunday in spoken everyday language. The second one is 星期日. This one is more formal and is usually used in written Chinese, like on calendars or news reports. Both mean Sunday. Let's look at the complete week at a glance. Feel free to pause the video or take a screenshot of this page. We have 星期一, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And for Sunday, the special ones, 星期天 or 星期日. Now let's put these words into full sentences. Our grammar formula is simple. The word 星期 followed by a number acts as a time noun in Chinese. To make a statement, you just say subject plus 是 or is plus day of the week. For example, 今天是星期三. Today is Wednesday. Or 明天是星期六. Tomorrow is Saturday. Now that you can state what day it is, let's move to part 2, asking questions. Let's talk about today and tomorrow. Before we ask questions, you need these 4 essential time nouns in your vocabulary. Repeat after me. 今天, today. 明天, tomorrow. 后天, the day after tomorrow. 昨天, yesterday. So, how do we ask what day is it in Mandarin? It's like a simple math substitution. To ask what day, you simply replace the number block at the end of the sentence with the question word 几. 几 is used to ask about numbers or numerical order. Look at step 1. 今天是星期五. Today is Friday. Now step 2, remove the 5 and put 几. 今天是星期几? What day is today? Let's look at a conversation in action. Person A asks, 后天是星期几? What day is the day after tomorrow? Person B answers, 后天是星期日. The day after tomorrow is Sunday. Please pay attention to the red note at the bottom. When answering, you must repeat the word 星期. Do not omit it. You cannot just say 后天是日. That doesn't make sense in Chinese. Always keep the word 星期 intact. Excellent job! Now for our final section, Part 3, Planning Activities. We are going to expand your sentences so you can make plans. In Chinese, we think of time, like weeks, as a vertical flow. Think of up as the past and down as the future. So to say last week, we use up, 上个星期. To say this week, we use this, 这个星期. And to say next week, we use down, 下个星期. Let's finish with some real-life examples of making plans across weeks. If you have a lot of work right now, you can say, 这个星期我很忙. This week I am very busy. But if you are planning a vacation, you can say to your friends, 下个星期我们去旅行吧. Let's go traveling next week. And that's it. Now you know how to talk about the days of the week, ask questions, and make plans in Mandarin. Practice making your own sentences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video. I'll see you in the next lesson.
再见。
今天是星期几？今天是星期几？
今天是星期一。今天是星期一。
明天是星期二吗？明天是星期二吗？
对，明天星期二。对，明天星期二。
后天是星期三。后天是星期三。
星期三我在家。星期三我在家。
你星期四工作吗？你星期四工作吗？
星期四我工作。星期四我工作。
星期五你忙不忙？星期五你忙不忙？
星期五我很忙。星期五我很忙。
星期六天气好吗？星期六天气好吗？
星期六天气很好。星期六天气很好。
星期天你想去哪儿？星期天你想去哪儿？
星期日我想休息。星期日我想休息。
昨天是星期天吗？ 昨天是星期天吗？
昨天是星期日。昨天是星期日。
你的生日是星期几？你的生日是星期几？
我的生日是星期天。我的生日是星期天。
星期一我们买书。星期一我们买书。
好的，星期一见。好的，星期一见。
这个星期你忙吗？这个星期你忙吗？
这个星期我不忙。这个星期我不忙。
下个星期几下雨？下个星期几下雨？
下个星期三下雨。下个星期三下雨。
上个星期你去哪儿？上个星期你去哪儿？
上个星期我去医院。上个星期我去医院。
这个星期五看电影吗？这个星期五看电影吗？
这个星期五看电影。这个星期五看电影。
下个星期我们吃面条。下个星期我们吃面条。
我下个星期吃米饭。我下个星期吃米饭。
他上个星期在中国。他上个星期在中国。
对，他在北京。对，他在北京。
下个星期哥哥去学校。下个星期哥哥去学校。
下个星期我也去。下个星期我也去。
你这个星期做什么？你这个星期做什么？
这个星期我学汉语。这个星期我学汉语。
姐姐下个星期回家吗？姐姐下个星期回家吗？
他下个星期不回家。 他下个星期不回家。
上个星期天气怎么样？上个星期天气怎么样？
上个星期非常冷。上个星期非常冷。
医生下个星期二在吗？医生下个星期二在吗？
医生下个星期不在。医生下个星期不在。
这个星期天去商店吗？这个星期天去商店吗？
这个星期日我不去。这个星期日我不去。
爸爸上个星期买电脑。爸爸上个星期买电脑。
这个星期他买手机。这个星期他买手机。
下个星期一考试吗？下个星期一考试吗？
下个星期一不考试。下个星期一不考试。
你上个星期几生病了？你上个星期几生病了？
我上个星期四生病。我上个星期四生病。
这个星期我们去跑步。这个星期我们去跑步。
星期六去跑步好吗？星期六去跑步好吗？
下个星期买衣服吗？下个星期买衣服吗？
下个星期天买衣服。下个星期天买衣服。
上个星期天他在哪儿？上个星期天他在哪儿？
上个星期日他在饭店。上个星期日他在饭店。
这个星期三去唱歌吗？这个星期三去唱歌吗？
这个星期三不去唱歌。这个星期三不去唱歌。
下个星期想喝什么茶？下个星期想喝什么茶？
下个星期想喝绿茶。下个星期想喝绿茶。